Shark Mates, Vinyl Vixen, Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
Swimming at Rap Sesh. This week we are going to showcase a Ppf Install. If you're not rap savvy, that is paint protection film, aka clear bra.
Yes.
C'est beau.
Clear bra, but this time it's not.
But not. So if you guys follow our channel, you know we did a episode recently on the STEK'D Dino Damascus clear bra. This is a fashion film for clear bra. It is black and textured, and it is so amazing.
It's very pretty. It's almost like an oil spill slash Damascus looking, like, if you've ever seen a Damascus blade. Yeah, it's meant to look like a Damascus blade. But since it's black, it kind of gives it that like oil spill kind of look.
You definitely get oil spill. Like when this is outside, you get a rainbow sheen to it, and it's just absolutely beautiful. If you guys want to watch our previous video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out all of our old videos. But we're doing this Hyundai Sonata. And we're doing a lot of things with a lot of different materials.
Lots of things.
But today we're going to do the hood and the mirrors in the STEK'D Dino Damascus Black. If you guys are interested in getting this film on your car, please hit us up or email us. If you're a shop and you're interested in carrying this film, it's really great. Reach out to stekautomotive.com.
These guys really have some good film.
Oh my gosh, they have like the most amazing carbon fiber clear bra.
Look at their swatch book. I mean,
so nice.
If that doesn't say how fancy they are.
Oh, it's fancy.
Like,
they've got colored clear bra. We're using some of their tinted headlight film. And here's the Dino shade.
Ooh.
I'm sorry, Dino Damascus. This is a 10-year warranty film. So this actually protects against rock chips, UV, it's self-healing, you know, all that good stuff.
So
that
for
vinyl
like
can't
roofs and hoods, which usually go first on, like, say you wrap a whole car in, you know, vinyl. Sometimes now you can, if you wanted to do a black roof, you can do it in STEK, and it's gonna last 3 times longer than the actual wrap on the car.
Yeah. Absolutely. So we need to do an episode on that soon, like vinyl versus clear bra. So people
It's not even in the same realm though.
Well, it is. We do both. Same realm. So anyways, we're gonna dive into our tools for the installation.
Throw out your Fusion tools.
Okay, so today we're gonna be using the Fusion Tools squeegees. We have both their wet app Ppf squeegees as well as their vinyl squeegees. We like to use those every now and then for clear bra.
Yeah, these are really nice squeegees for both vinyl and clear bra because you can actually get this wet. So the sleeve can actually be wet and it doesn't like fall off or anything. Right. So it's really nice to, when you're tucking something under, you know.
Well, you're gonna see us using it on the hood. There's a tight recess that you have to get into. We're also going to be using the Fusion all-type mounting solution. That's an alternative to using like the baby soap. It makes it a lot easier to install. You can use it for vinyl, tint, PPF, you name it.
That's what we're using there.
Next we have our water keg.
You don't have to go right to it. I was just...
Yeah, I got it. No, you can show it. Okay, so we have our water keg.
Gosh.
We have the water keg. Pick it up.
We have a water keg.
Yes, we have the water keg. Don't. And we have our steamer. Can you show the handle over there? Pick it. Pressure on demand steamer.
Oh, that shot all the way across the shop.
That was a big purge, man. That's dangerous.
That was awesome.
Okay, focus.
So this stuff, we use the all type in here. This is with our keg here.
Yes.
Pow pow.
As well as in here.
And the all type is super safe to use. Not gonna, not gonna hurt her tomorrow now.
You could eat it.
You could eat it.
You could wash it.
You probably shouldn't eat it, but it's safe on your skin.
I think that Fusion Tools actually used it in their shower to test it when they first made it to make sure it was safe for your skin.
Well, they washed with it?
Yeah. Maybe. I could be wrong. It could be a rumor, but I'm pretty sure that's what happened.
If they did that, good for them, because that's awesome. That's a good way to prove that your stuff works.
So yeah, I think we're ready to dive in.
Don't.
Dive.
This is a shallow end.
Dive.
You can't dive in the shallow end. No!
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I start. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, well we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words. No.
Thank you guys so much for watching this week. If you want to see this Sonata all finished up in all its glory, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will have the reveal episode up next week. Shout out to STEK'D. If you guys are interested in their films, you can reach out to us or www.stekautomotive.com.
Good stuff.
Good things and
Good
stuff.
things and stuff.
That is the Dino Damascus film once again.
No, I love using this film.
Oh,
It's so
it's
fun
like
to
my
install.
favorite. It's so cool.
Yeah.
So cool and so rainbow. It's definitely out there, which I like.
Yeah?
I like to be out there.
She's pretty out there.
Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys dig the rap sesh vibe. And if you want to keep up with our daily fun, make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Vinyl Vixen Raps and Rap Sesh AZ. And we will see you guys next week.
Later.
Bye!
My doubts are gone. Gold.
Ready?
Where am I supposed to be? Here?
Yeah.
I just want to pin stuff to your head.
A pin stuff?
Yeah, because it's a cork. You like
Oh,
usually you
I
put.
could put notes on there.
Yeah, I can put notes on your
Yeah,
hat.
but you damage it.
It's cork, yeah.
Yeah. Look at my yag. Oh, there's nothing there. They hurt though.
There's a little spot right there.
What's our dance move gonna be?
Punch you in the shoulder. God, scoot over. Look, you're not even in the middle. Get!
This is my good side.
Get!
It's my good side. Oh.
Don't make me IP man you.
I'm gonna kung fu your
I can go Bruce Lee on your. Get them!
I'm the Asian. I do the kung fu.
Yeah, well.
It's my good side. Oh. Okay.
Ready.
All right. Okay. You just shoot at things.
Whatever, I know Kung Fu.
No, I know kung fu. Okay.
Have you seen the pictures?
What picture?
Stop it!
What picture?
Stop it! Of us doing Kung Fu!
Oh, yeah, you got that from me. Okay.